Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox this HP laptop. This is the model. TG means it's from Target. The full price is around 500, which is definitely too high. It often goes on sale for around 390, which is okay. Let's take a look at the specs. So this one comes with a 15.6 Full HD IPS display. This is good enough for everything. Windows in S mode. You can always switch out of S mode. i3-1125. It's better than 1115, but I mean it's okay, but it's not tremendously fast. Definitely not. 8 GB of RAM, which is good. 256 SSD. It has fingerprint reader and backlit keyboard. Let's take a look at the box around. There's the back. Here we can see the specs. 1125G4. It was purchased in Target new, but as we can see, it was retaped over the original tape. This is the original HP tape. So it was already opened and retaped. So what happens sometimes is that Target sometimes just resells returns as new when someone opened them already, but they still just put them back on the shelf. That's how Target is. Now we're going to cut the seal. Let's see what Target sent me. Okay, so it's definitely not new. Someone already tried it. It's not on the plastic. I looked around it and I didn't find any scratch. Something should be here. Something between the keyboard and the screen. So it doesn't have it. Let's take a look. We have fingerprint here. The keyboard feels okay. Feels good. Feels like in something maybe a little bit more expensive, something like HP Pavilion. So here, webcam. Now we're going to take a look on the side. Here we have HDMI and USB-C, SD card reader and headphone input. And here we have two USB-As and this is for charging. After turning on, I have some kind of message over here. So it's definitely Target return. Overall, it's a decent laptop. It's well built. It's HP, which is a good and reliable brand. It has fingerprint reader. It has backlit keyboard. It has 8 GB of RAM, big screen, IPS, Full HD. i3 is not the fastest CPU, definitely not, but it's still okay. It does not have a touchscreen. No touchscreen. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.